Bolt and his significant other KCB announced that they have a pair of twins. So more have to take the time out, you have to say congratulations to them both. Now people, I don't know if Una did know, but I never know that they had twins on the way. Them just drop it like a bomb today in the Father's Day, right? So I'm going to tell you where them post, I'm going to show you also, I'm going to tell you some of the people them where I tell them congratulations, which is pretty much everybody, but you know what I mean, just some of the key figures them. And also, we are going to tell you the name of the babies them, right? So people, before we get into all that, we know today is Father's Day, and we just want to say happy Father's Day to all other fathers them out there. You see me, I say the one them will do what them supposed to do, and all of the mothers them will take the place of the fathers, and a really happy Father's Day, but big up on yourself same way. So people, let's get right into Bolt's story, right? Let's talk about the twins. So Bolt posts this little short clip of him and his entire family, including the twins, right? And him put the name of everybody in baby, you know what I mean, Olympia, and also the twin name. So if you look in at the bottom right hand corner, you will see the name come up. I'm still gonna tell you the name afterwards, right? So take a look at this really short clip. Here goes. So along with that post, Bolt had the caption, and it says Olympia Lightning Bolt, Saint Leo Bolt, and Thunderbolt, right? Which it sounds like, you know, a boy. And him tag Casey underneath it too, so let's not forget Casey, right? It sounds like boys to me. I don't know if it was me or really, I don't see a girl having those kind of name, right? But if you don't feel different or you know different, you know for a fact that it's girl, you know, put it down in the comment section and tell me. So Casey also posts the same series of pictures or some other pictures from the same series, and she had this to say in the caption. She says, happy Father's Day to my forever love. At Usain Bolt, you are the rock of this family and the greatest dad to our little ones. We love you, world without end, right? And then people, lastly, now more for showing us some of the people them we are give them beer forward in the comment section. But like I say, pretty much everybody, and I mean, guys, this is a good time. This is like boom, you know what I mean? Romy and Virgo had each set of twins on his birthday, you know what I mean? Big up the Virgo family, said speed too, and now we see Bolt have twins. We don't know when them born, still the man just drop them pound and say boom. But the last thing I'm gonna show you people is the people them where may I say I give them beer forward. And if you look, you see King Beanie Man, you see Yendi, Lisa Anna, Safari, and even Digital Jamaica. And that's just some of the people. I see me I say whole heap of comments over there. I can only imagine. You see me I say this is a celebration. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to Bolt. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers them out there again. And people no big up on themselves, getting at the comment section, you know what I mean? Send them some congrats and just stay safe out there. You know what I mean? I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.